bit
Vocal
of a
Coach
story
shares how to
about
find your vocal
my
style.
so maybe that will encourage you in finding your style as a singer as well. So when I started getting serious about performing and getting on stage and getting out there, I knew that I had to have a complete set list that was kind of like conducive, right? So it all maybe had something similar. So it was a style that was pretty recognizable. So I thought, well, what are the styles that I like? Who are some of the artists that I like? And I'm very influenced by Ella Fitzgerald. I loved Marilyn Monroe as a singer as well as an actress and a model, and she has a full CD of songs, so I thought I should have maybe some of her songs in my set list. I was drawn to an artist named Melody Gardot, who's a French artist, and this is how I just started like picking some of these artists, and I figured out what I liked about their voices also. I liked certain sounds within their voices. I liked the message that their music brought to their fans and to their audience. And that's really what defining your style is all about. So if you put a set list together, you want to make sure it has a message, right? What is your message as an artist? Well, once you do that, you start figuring out what style or genre you're in, then you kind of make it your own. So